I quit my job. Not recently, I quit it like 4 years ago. But I thought I'd share the story now that I am 4, almost 5 years comfortably away from doing that. If you don't know, I used to be a corporate tech girly. I was a software engineer for like 10 plus years, and I was climbing that corporate ladder. I was moving on up. I just didn't like it. I would go to bed every Sunday with like a pit of dread in my stomach. I would wake up every Monday with anxiety. I felt like none of my time was mine, and I really didn't feel at all fulfilled in the work that I was doing. And for the record, I was working for one of the better companies out there. So I quit. To walk away from a career that you worked for years to earn feels stupid. It is terrifying to walk away from financial security, to leave a life of stability, to go out into the unknown, not sure of how you're gonna make it work. But I don't think I am alone in that boat. There are so many other people that are feeling so burnt out with the culture of hustle and grind, and that want something even more than just work-life balance. They want to do work that is meaningful and interesting and that they're passionate about. So I just thought I'd pop up from the other side of the fence and say that I have zero regrets about leaving my job. I've spent the past 4 years traveling, pursuing various other jobs and careers, and learning about myself and what I want my life to look like. And I have such a focus now on where I want to be and what I want my life to look like. So if you find yourself on the edge of that cliff now, just scared to make the jump, know that you're not alone and that it can all work out. As someone who's still working it out. I'll report back in 5 years and we'll see if I am thriving the way I want to be thriving, but it is okay to change your mind. There can be very good things on the other side if you are smart about how you do it. So take the leap of faith.